achieve today to excel tomorrow. Our achievement today is going to be the coordinate plane. Okay, let's take a look at the coordinate plane here. Quite a bit involved here. Okay, we kind of start off with there's a horizontal line and there's a vertical line. Our horizontal line is called the x-axis. This is the x-axis. Our vertical line is called the y-axis. Okay, so we have the x-axis, the y-axis. Where they meet is called the point of origin. That's 0, 0. That's where the two lines intersect, where they meet. Point of origin 0, 0. Okay, other than that, our horizontal line is like a number line, like we've done last week or Monday when we were doing our integers. So we just have 1, 2, 3, 4 through, as far as it goes. May go further than 10. The left side is negative. Our vertical line is the same thing. It's just up is positive, down is negative. Kind of like we were talking about the other day, maybe a thermometer or something. So I like to try to remember left, right is just like the number line. Right's positive, left's negative. Up is a positive person. You're up, you're positive, so that's a positive. If you're down, you're a negative person, so that's negative. Kind of a way to remember which is which. Okay, so that's kind of the main part. We have to look at the quadrants. The coordinate plane is broken into 4 quadrants. I believe last year in 6th grade you worked in quadrant 1 mostly, not the other quadrants. So you should know that quadrant 1 is the upper right-hand quadrant. Think of it, if this is a clock, this would be 1 o'clock. So this is quadrant 1. The only thing is it doesn't go clockwise, it goes counterclockwise. It goes to the back. So if this is quadrant 1, this is quadrant 2, this is quadrant 3, and this is quadrant 4. Okay, you may notice I put on here quadrant 1 means that it's positive, positive. It's on the positive X line and the positive Y line. Okay, quadrant 2 is negative, positive. It's the negative side of the X and the positive side of the Y. Quadrant 3 is negative, negative, and quadrant 4 is positive, negative. Okay, so we have a point up here, right here. If we followed it over here, it was at 5, and followed it up here, it's at 5. So our point is at 5, 5. This is called an ordered pair. It's a pair of numbers, and they're in a specific order. They're in a specific place. So it's called an ordered pair. If we were to graph an ordered pair, such as we had the number, let's say 4, 5. That's our ordered pair. Okay, the rule we have to follow is we go left or right first. So we're going to go up across, back and forth on the x-axis first. Some ways to remember that is I say you crawl before you stand up and walk, or you go to the elevator before you go up or down. So you're always, remember, you go left or right first, up or down second. So the first number is always the X number, it's the left-right number. The second number is always the Y number. So we would say on this 4, we're going to start at the point of origin, and we're going to go positive 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. From there, we're going to go to the Y, which is positive 5. So we're going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And our point is going to be, I went too far, didn't I? 4, 5. Our point's going to be right in here. Because this is 4, 5. Okay, see here's 5, 5. On 5, 5, we went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we went 5, 5. Well, if we had a negative number like we was graphing negative 3, negative 2, okay? Our first number is the X, second's Y. We're going to start at our point of origin, and it says negative 3. We're going to 1, 2, 3. It says negative 2. From here, we're going to go 1, 2. So this here is negative 3, negative 2. Okay, so this kind of talked to us about the coordinate plane. The quadrants are important things that we need to remember and know about, and know how the coordinate planes functions. We'll be doing lots more graphing on the coordinate plane this year, and you'll be doing them in years to come. Okay, that is what we're trying to do, is achieve today. That way we'll excel tomorrow.